cold. This is the coldest that I've been on a motorcycle. क्या नज़ारा है. This is Gongbo Donjon, a beautiful mythical mountain. I was going to be a part of the Rediscover Ladakh ride, which promised to show the less touristy and commercialized parts of the high Himalayas. I was giddy with excitement and secured and strapped my rucksack onto the rear seat of the Tiger 900 for my 1,000-kilometer ride into the mountains. Alright, so this is the day 2 of the Triumph Rediscover Ladakh ride, and we are just about to cross Atal Tunnel and go to Sisu. Right now we are here in Manali. जी हाँ, मनाली में है और मेरी सवारी है ट्रायम्फ टाइगर 900 रैली प्रो. बहुत ही शानदार मोटरसाइकिल है, नई अपडेटेड मॉडल है, काफ़ी सारे फीचर्स हैं, पावर और टॉर्क थोड़ा बढ़ गया है. और हम यहाँ से जाएंगे मनाली से सिसु. शॉर्ट राइड है, लेकिन बीच में एक ऑफ रोड पैच भी आएगा, तो वहाँ पे हम काफ़ी टाइम स्पेंड करेंगे. So after a nice off-road ride and an overnight stay in Sisu, next day we were headed to the Zanskar Valley, a place that I've never ever been before to. Alright, so we are here in Jispa. We just finished our ride from Sisu and our destination for the day is Padam. So we are about to enter the Zanskar region. I've never been to Zanskar. पहली बार Zanskar जा रहा हूँ. बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. हमारा आज का डेस्टिनेशन है पदम और 143 किलोमीटर्स है और हम शिंखुला पास होके जाएंगे. The first highlight was the fabled Shinkhula, a snow-laden mountain pass at 16,580 feet. तो हम पहुंच गए हैं शिंखुला पास. ये देखिए बराबर की बर्फ गिर रही है, मोटरसाइकिल पे विंडस्क्रीन पे बर्फ जम रही है. 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस तापमान है और ये देखिए यहाँ पे शिंखुला टॉप पे 16,580 फुट 16,580 feet at Shinkula top. Everybody is enjoying here. All the motorcycles made it safe and sound. There you go. And it's snowing heavily. Alright, so I'm not in the frame because I'm all by myself, and this here, ladies and gentlemen, is Gongbo Donjon, a beautiful mythical mountain, and locals say that deities live here. देवी देवताओं का वास है यहाँ पे, और साथ ही में मेरी टाइगर है. बहुत ही प्यारा सा मौसम हो रखा है, ठंड काफ़ी हो रखी है, और ये देखिए क्या नज़ारा है. एकदम बगल में नदी है, और अगर आप दूर में देखेंगे तो याक्स भी हैं काफ़ी सारे. तो बहुत ही बढ़िया मौसम है, बहुत ही बढ़िया नज़ारा है. इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. बस कुछ ही देर यहाँ पे रुकेंगे चाय कॉफ़ी के लिए, और फिर हम आगे निकलेंगे पदुम की ओर, जो कि हमारा आज का डेस्टिनेशन है. The beauty of Zanskar is humbling, almost spiritual. Towering peaks on all sides, deep river valleys, and a sky so wide it feels like it could swallow you whole. There's an almost surreal quality to it, as if the world here is frozen in time, untouched by the modernity of civilization. Alright, so we are right now in Padum, और आज हम कारगिल तक की दूरी तय करेंगे. करीब 230 किलोमीटर है और बहुत ही बढ़िया रास्ता होने वाला है. काफ़ी ठंड है, बारिश होने वाली है, तो हमने इसलिए पूरा रेनकोट पहन के बिल्कुल रेडी है. अपने आप को विंड प्रूफ, वाटर प्रूफ कर लिया है. अब बस बाइक पर बैठने की देरी है और चलने की देरी है. वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर टुडेज राइड फ्रॉम पदम टू कारगिल. ऑन द वे टू कारगिल we were to face our toughest challenge yet, the climb to Pensila and then coming down torrential snowfall.
So we started from Padum on our way to Kargil, and right now we are at Pensila Pass. And since Padum, when we started riding, it has been raining non-stop, and right now, as you can see, it's snowing. It's so cold. This is the coldest that I've been on a motorcycle. It's a fantastic ride. The motorcycle is performing really well, but I can't feel my extremities. My fingers, my toes, all dead. I just hope I don't get frostbite. Yes, I'm able to twist my fingers, so that's a good sign. I can't tell you how much I'm looking forward to this, and right now I need a hot drink, like piping hot tea, and a warm bed, and a very nice, cozy, warm blanket. I just want to just dive inside the blanket because right now I'm so cold. But this is one of the best experiences of my life because look at this. I mean, what else do you need? What else do you need?
As we climbed down from Pensila, the starkness of the Zanskar Valley began to soften. The mountains lost some of their jaggedness and the occasional patches of green appear. The weather shifted with the descent. What was once cold, wet, and snowing at the pass gradually warms into a comfortable temperature as we headed towards Kargil.
So yesterday we crossed Penzila on our way from Padum to Kargil. Oof, so cold it was, but it was a fantastic ride. And today we were at the Kargil War Memorial a little earlier. We paid our respects and a tribute to the fallen soldiers in the Kargil War. And right now we are on our way to Umbala, and here we are at one of the high passes on the way to Umbala. And you can see there's Tiger Hill like that, there's Tololing there, all theatres of battle in the Kargil War, and it just gives you goosebumps. I mean, the kind of history, the kind of valor that was shown in the Kargil War by the Indian Army, crazy. मतलब क्या ही कहें, goosebumps आ जाते हैं और you're just filled with pride, when you're here. And it's been a fantastic ride so far. बहुत ही बढ़िया मज़ेदार राइड रहा है अभी तक, और मेरी टाइगर 900 बहुत ही बढ़िया चल रही है, मज़ा आ रहा है. और आप देख सकते हैं कि ऑल्टीट्यूड काफ़ी हाई है, बट ना टाइगर को कोई दिक्कत है और टाइगर को कोई दिक्कत नहीं, तो मुझे भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है.
From Kargil, it was time for us to head to Leh, which was where my journey would end. The last few days were absolutely exciting. After hours of riding, the triumph of reaching Leh is sweet, and the Tiger has proven itself every inch the adventure machine. As I reflected on the days gone by, I realized that the real essence of this journey wasn't just about getting from one place to another. It was about the challenges faced on the road, the raw terrain, the unpredictable weather, and the solitude of riding through one of the world's most remote places. Every bump, every slide, every twist of the throttle had been a moment of discovery, and the Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro proved to be the perfect partner for this adventure.